Hi, myself Nancy, and today we are going to learn about finding one's hotel conversation part 4th. If you have not watched the part 1, part 2, part 3rd, watch that video first, then you watch this video, then it will be more easy to understand. Before starting the video, I have one request for all my viewers. Watch the video till the end. I hope whatever your doubt, queries may be crystal clear, means शीशे की तरह साफ. Exercise 8. Sentences. The Royal Hotel is 2 blocks that way. In this sentence we can notice here that way. Instead of that way, we can use different words such as down the street, up the street, in that direction, past the intersection, the other way, north of here. So how we can use this word in sentence? Let us see one by one. So first word is down the street. In sentence we will use this one like this. The Royal Hotel is 2 blocks down the street. Next word is up the street. In sentence, the Royal Hotel is 2 blocks up the street. Next word is in that direction. In sentence, the Royal Hotel is 2 blocks in that direction. Next word is past the intersection. In sentence, the Royal Hotel is 2 blocks past the intersection. Next word, the other way. In sentence, the Royal Hotel is 2 blocks the other way. Next word is north of here. In sentence, the Royal Hotel is 2 blocks north of here. 9. Sentences. The Royal Hotel is 2 blocks that way. In this sentence we can notice here 2 blocks. Instead of 2 blocks, we can use different words or vocab such as several blocks, up the street, about 10 blocks, in that direction, a 5-minute walk. So how we will use this word in sentence? Let us see one by one. Number 1 word is several blocks. In sentence, the Royal Hotel is several blocks that way. Next word is up the street. In sentence, the Royal Hotel is several blocks up the street. Next word is about 10 blocks. In sentence, the Royal Hotel is about 10 blocks up the street. Next word is in that direction. In sentence, the Royal Hotel is about 10 blocks in that direction. Next word is a 5-minute walk. In sentence we will use this one like this. The Royal Hotel is a 5-minute walk in that direction. Exercise 10. Sentences. Where's the Grand Hotel on this map? Instead of the Grand Hotel, we can use different words or vocabs such as the Central Drugstore, the Memorial Library, Main Street, the Madison Motel, Greenwood Park. So how we will use this word in sentence? Let us see one by one. Number 1 word is the Central Drugstore. We will use this in sentence like this. Where's the Central Drugstore on this map? Next word is the Memorial Library. We will use this word in sentence like this. Where's the Memorial Library on this map? Next word is Main Street. How we will use this word in sentence? We will use this one word in sentence like this. Where's Main Street on this map? Next word is the Madison Motel. So this we will use in sentence like this. Where's the Madison Motel on this map? Next word is Greenwood Park. In sentence we will use this one like this. Where's Greenwood Park on this map? Here is some information for all my viewers. If you want to learn more basic English, then you can follow to my first channel, Nancy Juliana, and also you can follow me on Instagram. The link is given below. Go and check it. If this video is really helpful to you, then subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon also. Thanks for watching the video. So take care of yourself and bye-bye.